Ever wondered what doing 100 burpees every day can do to your body? Let's dive into the whirlwind world of burpees. The burpee. It's not just an exercise, it's an adventure in 4 parts. First, you drop into a squat, like you're about to leap into action. Then you kick back into a plank, holding strong and steady. Next up, a push-up to add a little spice of strength. And finally, you explode up into a jump, reaching for the stars, or at least the ceiling. This dynamic sequence doesn't just get your heart racing, it ramps up your cardiovascular fitness, builds strength, and boosts endurance. But the magic of burpees doesn't stop there. Thanks to its multitasking nature, this exercise is a full-body workout rolled into one swift move. Engaging almost every major muscle group, the burpee is a masterclass in functional fitness, packing a punch in both time efficiency and effectiveness. Now that you're a mini expert on burpees, let's see what they can really do to your physique and psyche. Strap in as we explore the muscle-morphing magic of 100 daily burpees. Imagine the sheer power of a fitness regime that doesn't just challenge your muscles but transforms them. That's the burpee for you. Not just a workout, but a full-body revamp wrapped in one dynamic package. When you commit to doing 100 burpees each day, you're signing up for more than just a sweat session. You're enrolling in a boot camp for your cardiovascular system. First off, let's talk heart health. 100 burpees a day propels your heart rate to new heights, turning your body into a calorie-burning furnace. The continuous movement from squat to jump and back increases your stamina and pumps up your endurance. Just when you think you can't go on, your heart learns to beat stronger and more efficiently. Moving on to muscles. The muscles. Burpees are like a buffet for muscle groups, serving up a delicious course of core strengthening, leg toning, and upper body conditioning. Each repetition is a compound exercise that targets your arms, chest, quads, glutes, hamstrings, and abs. Regular burpee practice can amplify your muscular strength and power, making everyday activities feel like a walk in the park. Now, let's not overlook the calorie incineration happening here. Engaging in high-intensity movements like burpees can lead to substantial calorie burn and fat loss over time. This metabolic boost helps reshape your body composition, shifting it from flab to fab. It's not uncommon to hear of transformations where persistent burpee practitioners drop significant body fat percentages, emerging leaner and more toned than ever. And the stories? They're as real as the sweat dripping off your forehead. From fitness novices to seasoned athletes, many have turned their physical health around with the daily discipline of burpees. They've seen their energy skyrocket and their bodies reform, all thanks to this powerhouse exercise. Feeling pumped yet? But wait, there's more to burpees than just sweat and sore muscles. If you're ready to kickstart your own transformation and want more fitness tips to keep you motivated, don't forget to like video and subscribe to our channel. Your journey to a better, stronger you starts right here. Now let's flex the most crucial muscle of all, our brain. When embarking on a daily challenge like doing 100 burpees, the physical changes are evident, but the transformation happening upstairs in the old noggin is just as dramatic. Imagine the mental gym your brain enters with each jump, push, and squat. It's not just your muscles that are getting a workout, your mental toughness is pumping iron too. Committing to 100 burpees daily is akin to a mental marathon. Each day, as you face the challenge, you're not only building physical strength but also fortifying your mental resilience. The discipline required to maintain such a rigorous routine fosters a powerful sense of self-control and focus. It's like turning your willpower into a well-oiled machine. Now let's talk about the feel-good factor. Regular physical activity, like burpees, stimulates the production of endorphins, those delightful little chemicals in the brain that act as natural mood lifters. This can lead to reduced feelings of stress, a dip in anxiety levels, and a general decrease in symptoms of depression. Think of each burpee as a tiny therapist, jumping in to boost your mood. Moreover, the daily commitment to hit that 100 mark can significantly boost your self-confidence. As you notice your ability to perform more burpees, watch as your self-esteem starts to soar. You're not just training your body, you're teaching your mind that you can commit to and achieve your goals, no matter how challenging. For those days when motivation wanes and the thought of even one burpee seems daunting, remember why you started. Set small, attainable goals, celebrate your progress, and perhaps most importantly, maintain a sense of humor about the journey. Laughing at yourself when you flop or celebrating with a victory dance after your set can make all the difference in keeping a positive mindset. So, it toughens the body and the mind, but is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's find out. Before you jump into this burpee bonanza, let's talk risks and how to sidestep them. Diving headfirst into a sea of 100 daily burpees can seem like a thrilling challenge, but beware, it's not without its perils. Overtraining, muscle soreness, and the dreaded risk of injury are lurking in the waters, ready to turn your fitness dream into a nightmare. First up, overtraining. It's the fitness equivalent of binge-watching your favorite show until 3 in the morning. Sounds fun, right? Not when your body starts sending you season finale cliffhangers like chronic fatigue and decreased performance. Overdoing burpees every day can push your body past its recovery capabilities, leading to these unwanted spoilers. Then there's muscle soreness. The sweet pain of success. Or is it? While some soreness is normal, especially when you're painting your masterpiece of fitness, too much can be your body's way of waving a red flag. It's saying, hey, let's take it easy or I might just go on strike. And of course, injuries. They're the plot twist no one asked for. High-impact moves involved in burpees, like that explosive jump, can strain your joints and muscles if done improperly. It's like trying to perform your own stunts without first attending stunt school. So how do we avoid these pitfalls? Start with a proper warm-up. Think of it as the opening credits to your exercise routine. It sets the tone and gets your body in the groove. A dynamic warm-up that mimics the burpee movements can prep your muscles and joints, reducing the risk of those unwanted plot twists. Listening to your body is like having an internal coach. It knows its limits, so tune in. If it's screaming for a commercial break, pause those burpees. Modifying the intensity or volume of your burpees is also key. Not every day needs to be a blockbuster action scene. Some days can be more like a quiet, dialogue-driven episode, allowing your body to recover and build strength over time. And remember, if you have pre-existing conditions or physical limitations, consult with a professional. They can help script a version of the burpee challenge that's tailored just for you. No unnecessary drama included. Safeguarding yourself means you can keep those burpees bouncing longer. But how long should you really keep at it? Thinking of making burpees your daily bread? Let's chew on the long-term impact. Burpees, like any high-intensity exercise, can be a thrilling challenge. But what happens when the thrill evolves into a daily routine? The key is sustainability. Transitioning from a short-term, adrenaline-pumped challenge to a long-term fitness habit requires more than just determination. It demands a strategic approach. First, let's talk about gradual progress. Jumping into 100 burpees a day might sound heroic, but it's akin to sprinting before you can walk. Start small, maybe with 10 or 20, and build up your stamina and strength gradually. This not only helps in preventing injuries, but also in building a more sustainable practice. Consistency is your best friend here. It's not about going hard on one day and then letting the next 3 slide by. The magic happens with regular, consistent effort. Think of it as brushing your teeth. It's just something you do as part of your daily routine. This regularity helps in forging not just physical strength, but also a mental habit. Now, on to spice variety. Doing the same exercise every day can quickly turn into a monotonous chore. Mix it up, alternate burpees with other exercises like swimming, cycling, or yoga. This not only keeps your routine interesting, but also ensures that different muscle groups are engaged, reducing the risk of overuse injuries. It's about creating a balanced fitness diet that keeps you engaged and excited. Remember, listening to your body is crucial. Some days your body will feel like it can conquer the world. Other days, not so much. Adapt your intensity based on how you feel. This flexibility is vital for maintaining a long-term exercise routine without crashing. Lastly, don't forget about recovery. Integrating adequate rest, proper nutrition, and perhaps some mindfulness or meditation into your routine ensures that you're not just working hard but also recovering smartly. Maintaining this fiery pace requires smart moves and even smarter recovery. Armed with all this burpee brilliance, are you ready to take the challenge? Imagine harnessing the power of 100 burpees every single day. You've seen the breakdown: a squat, a plank, a push-up, a jump. Each movement crafted to fire up your cardiovascular fitness, strengthen your muscles, and boost your endurance. We've explored how these daily bursts can sculpt your physique, elevating your stamina, and how they melt away calories, reshaping your body composition. You've heard the success stories, real people making real changes, and let's not forget the mental armor it builds. Discipline, confidence, the sheer grit to face down any of life's challenges. 100 burpees a day doesn't just reshape your body, it redefines your mental boundaries. So why not start today? Share your journey, your struggles, and your victories. Become a part of a community pushing towards better health and vibrant living. Jump into your fitness journey with Burpees and let every day push you a little closer to your peak potential. Ready, set, burpee. Love the Burpee Breakdown? Want more fitness tips? If you enjoyed the journey through the world of burpees, hit that like button. It lets us know you're on board for more transformative fitness challenges. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos. Join our community for more epic fitness adventures. Ready, set, subscribe.